Hello my little gems and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd just do a quick little video on these Artdot stickers that I did in an unboxing on my Amazon Prime Day sale buys, and I've just gone on checked the price again, and they're actually about 25p cheaper than what I paid. So about £4.70 odd. They're a bit cheaper than what I paid in the Amazon sale. So yeah. Definitely still are at a good price on there. So yeah, I'm going to just do a couple of these little Artdot freestyle stickers, and I just thought, you know, it'd be fun, I personally think. So the accessory pack, I'll just very quickly do. So we get a blue pen with a blue gripper with a free multi-placer. We get a blue wax, and then we get this funky tray, which is completely different to what I've ever received before, and I have to say that doesn't look extremely nice. And they also do slot in together if you buy more Artdot products with more trays, so you can have more colours all lined up together. So I am going to be trying this tray out on this video because that does look like a really nice tray, I have to say. So we get our stickers, and I'll just pull out a few just to show what we've got. There's all different, like loads of different styles, and I mean there's a whole heck of a lot of different styles, and honestly there is a massive choice to pick from. There are so many to pick from. I don't even know how many there are. I reckon there's at least 50 in there, easy. There's a whole like chunk there, and then our colours, and we do get a lot of colours that we can pick between on this. They are round drill, but there are a lot. We've got lots and lots of free 10s, because obviously the free 10s, I'll just show through the bag, is A on this. And then this funny symbol, the round symbol, is whatever colour you pick to do on that. And you can pick any colour you want, basically. But yeah, there's a whole heck of a lot of colours on this. And I will be ordering a Artdot diamond painting kit. I'm curious to see what the quality of their kits are as well. So yeah, we do get a lot of blacks. So they make sure they sent a lot of blacks, so we're all covered for the outsides. And then we've got greys and pinks and reds and blues and greens, yellows. Every single colour that I could actually think of. Honestly, there's a heck of a lot of colours here, and it looks like they sent at least one bag of each colour, which is really good. So yeah, there are a lot of colours here to choose from, so you definitely aren't gonna like run out of colours like in this, because there are a lot. I don't even know how many there are. If I go to the end, so it looks like each lot has got 20 colours in it. Got 20 packs in it by the looks of it. That one's got 19, and this one's got 20 as well. So we got minus one bag. We have got so we've got 59 packets of drills of this, which is a very generous amount. And I'm pretty sure if they just sold just the stickers on their own, they'd still make sales, because you know, people are looking for ideas what to do with their spare drills. So yeah, that would be quite interesting to see. So yeah, let's change the angle. Well, not change the angle. Let's get cracking with this and see what I can come up with and decide what one I'm going to do and everything else. Okay. Now I'm just going to put these back in the box, and then we're going to come up and just do something random, all right? So I picked the one, I just basically just ground one and thought, yeah, that would be fine to do. So I've gone for, I'm pretty sure that's a rose, and so I've gone for a nice colour for the middle, the green for the leaf, and black obviously for all the A's. So yeah, you can basically just make up, you can do a whole multicolour rose if you want to. You can do whatever you want with this. That's what they're saying. You can do what you want, basically. It's completely up to you. Which is quite nice because you've got the freedom that you can do what you want and you haven't got to stick to what it says, you know, must be this, must be that, blah, blah, blah. You know, you can do what you want, basically. So, let's peel back the plastic film. And that feels nice and sticky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that down like that. And I'm going to move it around like so. Cover that bit there for now. So I've got something to hold on with. So yeah, I'm basically working sideways now. So I've got, the only thing that I noticed that would be nice if they included would be a few baggies. That would be one thing I would only say that was missing from this kit, would be a few baggies. Just so you can obviously put that in there. Obviously, you can't fit mega amounts in these little trays, which is fine, because obviously this is only little projects, so, but it's still super cute. And the drills do look really nice quality, I have to say. They really do look nice quality drills. This is obviously round drills. Go on nicely. Very nicely. Right, so what I am going to do is I've got a little teeny drill there, which obviously we won't want to go on. To take that one off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up me doing this and then come back once I've done all the blacks. All right. But it's feeling pretty nice so far. So yeah, I shall catch you guys back in a sec once I've put all the black on, all right? So I've done half the rose so far, as you can see. So I thought I'd just do a little bit of talky and do the rest. This hasn't taken me long at all, and it's actually really fun. And you actually, this is a great idea, like if you want something little to do, to take a quick break from your canvas, especially if you're doing a very, very big canvas. Or these are great for kids too, honestly. Kids will absolutely love these stickers. And yeah, so honestly, I think that the kids will absolutely love these little sticker sets because they don't take long to do. We all know some kids just do not want to do an absolute massive kit, you know, and they lose interest quite often. So instead of having to, you know, they want to do diamond painting with their mum or nan or whoever. So instead of them doing a massive kit, they can sit down and do these little kits instead, you know, because they don't take too long. And you get that thing and they will feel like they've accomplished something because it's not absolutely massive. Because I know, like, the big kits, you know, kids can quite often lose interest in them. So, yeah, I thought these will be a great idea for Kiddywinks. They really, really would be. So, yeah, they're definitely still on the Amazon website. I had a look before I started recording just to check the price again and everything else. So, yeah, they are actually slightly cheaper than what I paid in the Amazon sale. So, honestly, can't go wrong. And let's just do the green now. Don't need that many greens because there's only a few. Put them into the baggie. And then, so yeah, we've just got the greens left now. Two, three, four. I need to change the wax in my pen. Come on, I should be able to pick one up. Got one left. And there we go. There is our little rose, and that did not take me long at all. And to be honest, it definitely will break, even just for yourselves. It will break up. This video is not sponsored or nothing. I paid for this product and everything else, so this is my honest opinion. So yeah, where's me? So let's just line these up a bit more because I have gone a bit skew with in some areas. And there we go. And that is our sticker all done. Really, really am pleased how that came out. Let's see how sticky the actual sticker is. So let's stick it to our Artdot case, I think. The box. And there we go. Doesn't that look cute? That definitely is a fun little project, and I definitely recommend it. It'll be great for children, great for yourself if you want a break from doing your big kit. Loads of different stickers to choose from. And so I have to say, I'm actually really impressed with this little kit. So I'm definitely going to be ordering another Artdot kit, actual diamond paint kit, because I'm curious to see what their canvases are like. So yeah, so that is it for this video. A nice short little video. I'll leave the link down below in the old Amazon in the description box so you can get one if you want one. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye everyone.